Hierarchy, in my opinion, is one of the most underrated things in design. And it's so important because it tells the reader what he should read first and what he needs to read next. But how does that work? I'll show you two funny examples that will help you understand. I think you got the concept. Every human being reads the highlighted things first. And that is exactly why it's so important to highlight the right things. And now I'll show you some highlighting techniques to get the right message across the board. Establishing hierarchy is simpler than you think. All you need to do is you need to emphasize the important stuff in the design. And you can make something stand out by making it bolder or even bigger. It's important that you remember to keep it minimalistic. In that case, less is more. And just a quick personal recommendation at the end, if you're not really sure if you've got the right hierarchy in your design, just ask a friend or a family member to look at your design and read it out loud. And if you then notice that the person has trouble reading it right, then you can optimize. In the next lesson, we're going to take a look at leading, tracking, and kerning, so stay tuned for that.